exercise of the day is all about weight shifts. I cannot, as usual, overstate how important it is to be able to move your weight smoothly from different directions, to change different directions, and all that stuff. Let me just start by saying you have to bend your knees. This is why we do our pliés first, and you have to use your feet, right? The way you use your feet, and all of them, and especially the ball of the feet, and being able to push against the floor is instrumental in being able to do this exercise well. And as you build up the different layers of this exercise, then you can start to build it into some really interesting things. So let me just start by explaining the pattern. It's pretty simple. It's when you're working on the right leg always moves first. So what I do first, you go to the front and you come back to your center. Your right leg again starts. It goes to the side and you come back to where you were. Going to the back, you go on the right leg and you come back to where you were. And then we just take 3 steps to shift, and now we're ready to start on the left leg. And we do exactly the same thing. You step forward on the left, you come back to where you started. You step to the side on the left, you come back to where you started. You step to the back on the left, you come back to where you started, and then you just switch, right? Basically, you can see the pattern. You have 2 spots here and there, and you're always working from this spot. You go and you come back. You go and you come back. You go and you come back. And every time you go, you use the same leg. So work with this, basically this pattern, as many times as you need until you get comfortable with it, because you don't want to get caught off your balance trying to switch your weight. The other thing that I'm going to tell you when you're doing this is to make sure you bring your center with you. What I mean is that you're not off your balance like this and kind of leaving your weight behind you. Basically, this is your control area, your pelvis. So you want to make sure that everywhere you're going, your pelvis is coming with you. That's actually how you can keep your balance as you're shifting weight, and especially when you start to pick up this exercise. Now, for now, we're just going to do it slowly and simply, but eventually, when you get good at it, you're going to start to pick up the speed and add the swings of the arms. Eventually, you can also add the body to it, and eventually, you can add jumps to it. But that's much further down the line. For now, let's stick with the basics, and let me show you the full exercise with the music. I have a Patreon page, and right now I am running a special offer around what I'm calling the Mystery Project, which is a super exciting, super big, and super secret creative project that I'm working on right now. The offer is running through January 24th, and any patrons who sign up on any tier before that date will be eligible to receive exclusive updates around this project, behind the scenes, and generally be part of this journey, which is not going to be available anywhere else. So if you're interested, take a look at my Patreon page, patreon.com/JillianRhodes the Performer. I cannot wait to share this journey with you.